Welcome back. Have you been diagnosed with COVID-19 recently? If so, the University of Hawaii needs your help in a clinical trial that could help thousands. Plus, you'll be compensated for your work. Joining us this morning to tell us about it is Dr. Cecilia Shikuma, Professor of Medicine and lead investigator from the John A. Burns School of Medicine. Good morning, Dr. Shikuma. How are you doing this morning?
Good morning. Thank you. I'm doing fine.
Okay, first off, what can you tell us about this clinical study?
Okay, so, we know that there are a lot of efforts to prevent people from getting COVID-19, including really strong pushes for an effective vaccine. But, we heard recently that U.S. now has 200,000 deaths. So I think there's clearly a need for people who do get infected with COVID and need some sort of therapy. And so our intent is to find a therapeutic modality that would serve to minimize the symptoms of the disease so you do not end up in the hospital. We think that we have a great product. It's a drug called telmisartan that is actually marketed by the and FDA approved as a blood pressure medication.
Yeah, so tell us about this medication, telmisartan, because it's for blood pressure medication?
Yes. Yeah, so, we know that the virus that causes COVID-19 infects cells, including pulmonary cells, by using this enzyme that's part of the body's hormonal system called the angiotensin-renin system. If you activate this system, there are very bad effects, including high blood pressure. And there's already drugs on the market that prevent these kinds of bad effects of this hormonal system becoming dysfunctional. So we think that if we use this drug, that we can minimize the bad lung and heart effects that this virus may have on you, and really minimize the chances you will end up in the hospital.
So what will this study involve and who can participate?
So we are looking for adults over the age of 18 who are acutely infected. So you need to have been diagnosed very recently to be COVID-19 positive. It's a 21-day trial. You will be randomized to either telmisartan or to placebo, a sugar pill, and you will take this for 21 days. We will ask you to take your temperature and your blood pressure at home, and we will provide you with a blood pressure cuff. And then you will come in at entry, obviously, day 4, day 10, and day 21 for study visits, and we will draw your blood, and we'll test you for the virus using a nasal swab. We think that, the earlier you come in, the better response you will have. So I would encourage everyone to come in as soon as they are diagnosed.
And that's what I was going to ask, like, how soon do they come in, or because they're exposed, and so you want them to still come in?
Yes, give us a call, and we can tell you a little bit more about the study. Also, ask you about what your symptoms have been and see whether you're an appropriate candidate, because there are a few restrictions. Obviously, you need to come in for study visits, so unfortunately, this would not apply to people on the outer islands. We need you to be able to do this safely, so if you are pregnant, for example, we will, we think that it will not be safe for you to join the study.
Real quickly, Doctor.
But I think one of the things that people need to realize is that, it's a clinical trial. We need to make sure that people are doing well on study so that you will have an extra pair of very experienced physicians and nurses that are looking out for your care while you're battling the infection. So that we think that just by really helping you through this bad time in your life, we will add value to and contribute to your medical care.
And real quickly, doctor, can you tell us, viewers that are watching, that could participate, how they can get involved?
Sure. So what I would like you to do is to call our research nurse, Chris Milne, and she can be reached at the medical school offices at 692-1335, 692-1335, or you can just Google our University of Hawaii Medical School, JABSON, John A. Burns School of Medicine, and look up our COVID-19 studies, and we should pop right up, and that should give you the contact information.
All right, there you have it, Dr. Shikuma. Thank you very much. And of course, we'll have all that information on our website at khon2.com. All right, coming up next, we'll break down the stories you need to know about. And the CDC